Welcome to this instructional video on installing the Arnott rear air strut for the Tesla Model X 2016 to 2019 without adaptive suspension. We'll guide you through the process to ensure a smooth and safe installation experience. Before starting, ensure you have the necessary safety measures in place which can be found in the vehicle owner's manual. Lift and immobilize the vehicle properly and isolate any stored energy to prevent injuries or damage. This vehicle contains a closed air supply system. Replacement of components requires proper adherence to procedures set forth within OE servicing literature. Failure to comply with the OE prescribed procedures can result in component damage and/or failure. Raise the vehicle and deflate and disable the air suspension per the vehicle manufacturer's instructions. Then remove the applicable wheel and wheel well liner. Remove the side trim from the rear cargo area to gain access to the top mount nuts. Now remove the lower strut bolt. Then partially remove the strut from the vehicle to gain easy access to the airline. Remove the airline from the air spring. Now remove the airline fitting from the air hose and discard it. To do this, remove the collet and the remaining fitting will slide off the air hose. To complete the removal, remove the upper control arm bolt at the wheel knuckle to allow clearance for the new strut. Partially install the new strut into the vehicle, enough to install the airline into the new strut. Remove and dispose of the shipping pin and then insert the airline into the air fitting until it stops. Gently pull on the airline to confirm it is fully secured by the airline fitting. Continue by loosely installing the top mount nuts to hold the strut in position. Then maneuver the lower mount into position and install the lower mount bolt and upper control arm bolt. Now finish the installation, tighten all hardware to the vehicle manufacturer's specifications. Reinstall the cargo area trim and wheel well liner. Continue by reinstalling the rear wheel and enable and inflate the suspension system per the vehicle manufacturer's specifications. You have completed the installation. Thank you for following our guide on replacing the rear air strut of a Tesla Model X with an Arnott part. Proper installation ensures the longevity and performance of your vehicle's suspension system. Stay safe and happy repairing.